All right, August 4th, 2024, Carlsbad, California, Sunday morning. Going on the first run of the week and another year at Carlsbad. Let's go. All right, made it here to the, right there, baby. Runner's tap here. Woo! So 8:30 in the morning, Sunday morning, first day. Wow, I love this. Whew. Great job. I love the fact of seeing all the runners. It's been so hot in Phoenix. I've been running 5 miles on Sunday, and by the time I got back to the house, I was pretty licked. Here, 10-minute miles, taking it easy, taking all this in. Wow. I love it that we have this overcast, or liar. It's a great day to be alive. Let's go up, get in 6 miles today. Let's do it. Woo! And this is Training with Johnny Schott. Hi Brooks. Hi John.
They have dingoes over there.
Can you see yourself? All right, so here we are, Carlsbad. Here we are, Carlsbad, with the little guys, the one speeders. You living the life? Oh, you sleeping? You sleeping? He's pretending. Hi, there we are, Sunday morning. All right, here we are, day 2 of our vacation. Carlsbad, California. Just finished up a 5 mile. 5 miles?
Yep, 5 miles.
51 minutes, all right.
Okay.
And Rachel and I having a great day. Woo! Annual run, nice and sweaty, but nice temperature.
Beautiful.
Just humid.
Breeze.
All right, we're loving it here.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
All right. Training with Johnny Schott, day 2. Here I am. Made it to the turnaround. Gonna go down here, let's check it out. We're gonna take a little break. I don't know, this is 3rd day in the row. I haven't run 3 days in a row in a long time. I went out without my hat, so that's a rookie move. And I don't know, I haven't run, for some reason my hamstrings are tightening up a little bit. I don't know if that's cramping, I don't know. I'm kind of having a hard time running. I don't know if it's just because 3 days running straight in a row, or because we are here in Carlsbad and we're having a great time partying. I've been up and down the steps a million times. Oh, look at that. Wow. And of course, another year older, right? Probably doesn't help anything out. Wow, it's beautiful out here. I saw before I took off it was 71 degrees, so huge change. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, look at that. Wow, look at those houses. Look at where they built that up. That sure doesn't suck. That's for sure. So just take this time, talk to you a little bit. I've been still working out every day. Matter of fact, literally pretty much every day. My schedule has changed a little bit. I know I haven't made some videos in a long time, so maybe let's take a few minutes. I've got a lot of videos out there. I did the Rock and Roll Half Marathon. I did a sprint triathlon. I've done a couple other races. 4th of July, of course, I always do that one. And I haven't put any videos out, so I'm gonna do a better job on getting those videos out. And I'm still, so 5:30 in the morning, wake up, go swim every day, 15, hopefully 20 minutes. My goal is to get 1,000 yards a day. So that's Monday through Friday. Monday now, because it's so hot, I'm riding the bike indoors. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Julie and I are going to the gym, so that's awesome. Getting some weight work in. And then on Wednesday, I'm riding the bike again. Friday is kind of a day off in the afternoon, still doing the morning run, or the morning swim, excuse me. And then Saturdays and Sundays, I've been doing a 5-mile run in the morning, but it's been pretty warm, so. But we keep pushing. It's good to be here in Carlsbad, California, pushing it up these hills, very hilly, and man, it's awesome here. So let's keep pushing, and this is Training with Johnny Shots, day 3. Woo!
Where's he going?
Go! Run!
Oh, got the video going. Oh, Brooks Brady. Up.
Alright, Wednesday, fourth run. Absolutely beautiful here. I love it. Little tired day, of course. 4 straight days running. I haven't done that. I'll have 20 miles after today. I'll finish up. And feeling good. Keep pushing before you just can't get tired of that. I know the GoPro doesn't do any justice for those long pictures, but trust me, it's awesome. All right, let's finish up the run. Day 4, Wednesday. Still pushing, KP. Woo. We're gonna do a check-in here. Different place now. Still in California, but I don't know how to say the name of this town. Robles something? I don't know. So we're in wine country. I'll put it up here something. And I'm gonna go for a run. Sunday morning. Found a route on Strava, and we'll go check it out. I had a great time in Carlsbad and got 4 good solid runs in. Got time with the kids, the family. It was so awesome. I really love it. It's my favorite thing. All right, let's see what we can find. New city. Okay, so that's pretty cool to have your own winery in front of your house. Let's see what we can see. When you run and you get out, you can see so many things. It's incredible. Look at this place. Look at that guy. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that is a longhorn steer right there. That dude is crazy. Good morning. Woo. All right, let's keep pushing. Okay, we're into another winery. It isn't open yet. It says open daily. I'm sure. Be like us today. We're going to the winery at 1 today. So look at this though. This is absolutely beautiful out here. I wasn't gonna go running, but man, I'm so glad I did. Get out here, let's keep pushing. Woo, let's go. There's the grapes. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, boys. Woo. Wish you were with me. Okay, I don't know if this sign is coming up or not, but it's American quality pistachios. Look at that. You don't see that in Phoenix. That's pretty cool, boys. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep. Who would have thought? I don't know. Look at these guys. Good morning, moo cows. Woo! This is living, baby.